Yes, sir. It is that day again. Again and again and again. But this is different than any other day. Today is the day that I will be going back home for the first time in a year and a half. My mum has come to take me home and it's worked. It worked.
And we both need a haircut.
We both need a haircut so bad.
God.
So you ain't gonna see this come off my head today. We are gonna be flying out from Ronald Reagan Airport in Washington, D.C. We're gonna be getting 2 flights and a megabus from London. It's gonna be a long travel day. So put on your seatbelt, get the snacks, and let's get it. The bags are being dropped off and oh my goodness, they have a system here and it works. You just go boom, 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 get your own tags, weigh it, give it to someone. It was like,
quite heavy.
It was quite heavy. They didn't check the weight though, so we got away with it.
I was stressing a little bit, but I'm doing good so far. I'm quite chilled today.
I think you're being great. We've actually been really good. Like to say that we're going back home and we have all of this traveling, we're doing really well at the moment. So good that we deserve some food. And we are gonna go and get one of our favorite foods of the whole of America. Yes, it is fast food joint and you will find out in a minute. There was only one place you could come to. There's a little teaser. It's the one and only Chick-fil-A with a Chick-fil-A sauce. If you don't know about Chick-fil-A, I actually feel sorry for you because you haven't experienced the best sauce in the whole of the world. Oh my god, you're so good.
We have tried to make it at home. We did ask the lovely lady if we could have like 6, and she actually gave us 8.
Look.
He was such a sweetie.
Yo, we taking this home and we're gonna give it to some family and friends so they can really know what they're dealing with. I've gone for the spicy deluxe. It's the waffle fries, it's the Chick-fil-A sauce. What a sandwich. It's actually been really smooth so far, but fingers crossed I don't want to jinx it. So our first stop's gonna be Charlotte. It's like an hour-and-a-half flight. You ready for the first flight, ma'am?
Always ready for the first flight because it's only little. It's a little flight and we're stopping off at Charlotte. Been there.
Never been there either, so how exciting. Get this in a fee.
Really loud.
Well, here we... Oh man, it's almost there. You're doing so good. Yeah, we see.
Stop it.
You got it?
Is that enough?
Yeah, I'd say so. I don't even think this straw, look, this straw's not even doing anything. I'm just holding the straw there for no reason. Thank you. Made it on and it's pretty busy in here. My mum will be over on this side. This is always a weird one when me and my mum don't sit next to each other. I just be whispering. She's already smiling at me now because I'm talking to myself. But we've got about an hour and a half now. So I'm also in the middle. I can't really show you the views. So I guess I'll see you on the other side. Well, that was an eventful flight. Guys, can you just appreciate, those shots that I just got of out the window? I had to keep leaning over this guy and keep taking these shots, and some of them were so bad as well. So just drop a like, because I put myself in uncomfortable positions.
We didn't even sit together.
We couldn't even sit together. I could tell this guy was getting pissed. I kept going over and he kept going, oh. You're like, I'm like, bro, just stay where you are. Like, I just need to get these shots for everyone that's watching me. But we got about an hour wait now, so it's not too bad. Kind of just making our way through this airport. I have no idea where we're actually needing to go. And now we've got the big boy 8 hour. I'm actually quite hungry, so I'm gonna get some food. Are you hungry, Ma?
When you say an hour, I don't actually know what time it is, but remember we've got to be through the gate at least 40 minutes before it leaves.
Yeah, that's fine. Right, maybe we should be just in a slight little rush then.
That's what I thought. I was thinking that on the plane. So actually...
I'm only bantering. My mom gets so stressed. Can we just talk about how stylish my mom is? Look at this woman.
It's kind of
I was just saying how stylish you are, Mom.
Were you now?
Yeah.
Were you now?
Yeah. So do you want to tell us the inside information? Got an update, guys.
So the update is, oh my god, so you know the storm Helene that I was watching last night?
Yeah.
that was here this morning at 8 o'clock. So if we'd have had an earlier flight, we wouldn't have come into here, we would have gone somewhere else, and then our whole day would have gone. So the fact that we are being delayed by a little bit, maybe an hour
Is
and
we're
a half,
actually doing quite good.
it's nothing compared.
Regarding that, there is
literally-
people that are being like absolutely destroyed by a storm, and that's not even a joke.
There's
I'm being
22
deadly serious.
people killed.
Yeah, it's crazy. Obviously, you guys have been watching this when the storm's already passed, so hopefully that
Yeah,
it
that's
was
true.
okay in the end.
That's true.
Not many people were lost, but it's crazy, man. So we've been delayed because of that. We've got about an hour and a half now.
Well, no, we haven't been delayed because of Helene. We've been delayed because there's a maintenance issue,
Oh.
which could mean lots of things.
Oh.
It could mean like a light bulb needs to be changed.
Don't say that, because then I'm like, why am I waiting there if it's just a light bulb? Like, I don't mind sitting in the
No,
dark.
because all of the lights have to work. So on an airplane, everything has to work.
Right,
100%.
okay.
And then if it doesn't, then they have to fix it.
Did I fix it? There's Mum showing me when she went on business class one time. Just rubbing it in my face that I've never
So
been in
funny.
business class. All right, soon come, guys. Don't worry, you'll do it with me. So we've just had another update, and now we have changed the plane because they just couldn't get it done fast enough. So we have a new plane, another delay. Isn't this fun? But we have gone and treated ourselves to a lovely Starbucks pesto, egg, and mozzarella sandwich.
I've never had food from Starbucks.
Yeah, it looks okay. Let's try
Don't
it.
get any grease on your trousers.
I thought it was going to be like terrible. It's
Play-Doh.
actually not bad. The egg tastes a little bit fake, but it's good cheese. Good bread. Want to try some?
Not even.
Guys, it's just Starbucks we're talking about, okay? I don't think you're meant to get food from them. I don't think you're meant to get anything from them
Wow.
personally. I
I'm
never
out
get
of-
Starbucks. It's not bad, is it?
Oh, tasty.
Yeah, it's actually alright. They've done well on the pesto.
Yeah.
Pesto just covered the whole taste of it.
Bread's not too bad either.
No, see, there you go. Ratings out of 10. Civic, give it a
I'd give it
solid
a 7.
7. Yeah. Yeah. Vamos! Yo, 3 hours. 3-hour delay.
Fine, it's been fine. It's
Huh?
been pretty chill.
It's fine, but like 3-hour delay, bro. On an overnight is not what I want to be doing. But we're on it now. We're looking to be landing around 10, half 10. So we're gonna have to get a different mega bus now. But that's cool, man. Let's get seated. Well, we've made it on the plane. This is the vibes. I don't know. You carry on talking.
Fine.
I was saying, in the good old days, we had 6 inches of room on a standard one.
Yes.
So we're just talking about flights and stuff, and this lovely lady here, her flight got cancelled because a bird flew into the airplane.
Yeah, it did.
Yeah.
Well,
Yeah. Luckily, I wasn't on it at the time.
This is true. I'm laughing because everyone was safe, okay? If everyone was safe, I would not be laughing. But we made it on. We are currently in the middle of the middle. So I don't know what you guys think. Let me know what you think the worst and the best seat is. This could be the worst, but I have the best company, so it's okay. It kind of levels out.
still saying no. I'm a lot harder now, though. I'm not.
Yeah. I was gonna get my laptop down, try and do some work, but I don't think that's gonna be doable. It's currently 9:30 p.m. So we're just about to fly. Please tell me, okay? This is my room space here. How am I meant to sleep, guys? I can't sleep sitting upright, first of all, and now I have to try and sleep for 8 hours. Look, at the end of the day, one all-nighter's not gonna kill me, is it?
You do them all the time. What?
Make me sound like I'm a
Loads of
freaking...
all-nighters.
Yeah, back in the day, guys. I'm a grown man. I don't do that anymore. So, we're about an hour in now. The food has eventually arrived. I want to go to sleep. I'm also so hungry. So this is what we've got. We've got some salad, chicken and rice. What's this? Sea salt brownie bar, some crackers, some bread. That's pretty much it. I mean, if you've never ate on a plane before, it's nothing crazy, but it does do the job, and it does the job enough that you can have a smile on your face. So let's try it. Yeah, it's plain foods, but it gets it done.
Gets it done, babe. Gets it done.
Yeah.
Then we all go to sleep.
This is looking like it's gonna slap though. I'm already looking at the dessert and I haven't even finished this yet. I currently have my light on and it's actually so bright. They've turned the lights off now. We've had our food. We have had a cheeky red wine. I didn't say that, and hopefully that helped me sleep. But I now need to try and sleep for the first time on a plane. Never done that ever.
Why not?
I probably won't. But no, I can't go with that mindset. You know that. If you
Positivity.
think it, it's gonna
Positive.
happen. I'm gonna sleep like a baby. So I'll hopefully see you guys when we land in London. Yo, I'm gonna try and put this light on. Oh, flipping off. Yo, so it's currently 6 minutes past 9 in the morning, English time, but our body clock is currently 10 past 4 in the morning. Do you know how rough that is? We tried sleeping, obviously. My mum said she was feeling claustrophobic. I think I've slept a little bit, but I mean it's 4 in the morning for me. So we've just been given our breakfast.
That's the before.
Got some Greek yogurt, coconut cashews.
And that's what it's going to look like in a minute.
That's what we're dealing with.
Yeah.
Does actually look really nice. Just the thought that we have to collect our bags and get on a megabus after is not a vibe. If I ever do a long haul flight again, we've both agreed that business class is the way to go, because sitting in this middle trying to sleep is
You just can't get out. I felt so claustrophobic in all my life.
Yeah.
Feeling sick because you can't move.
Yeah.
So we're smack bang in the middle.
So we're just
There's a
gonna.
little bit of turbulence going on right now. I'm not enjoying that either.
Well, look, even chatting to you guys has just put my mood up. You should know, I was being so moody to my mum about 2 minutes ago. Like, I did only just wake up though, so just give me a benefit of the doubt. We've landed! You know what time it is. I'm gonna stay in my seat. Cleared out. Just how we like it. Tell you what a gorgeous day in England today. Honestly, it's fresh. It's very fresh. It might look gorgeous, but it's definitely still a little bit chilly. But this is my favourite days. Blue skies and a little bit of chill. Hey, did somebody say party bus? Yeah, it's no party in here. Wow, what it feels like to be back in my own city. Imagine that I've never actually even made a video in Bristol. I only just started this journey when I left. So my first video was in London, which I think is crazy. So this is actually the first time I'm filming in my city, and wow, is this just the start. So now we need to go find my boy. One of my best friends is picking us up. So wow, how you feeling, mama?
Feels quite surreal actually.
Yeah?
A little bit chilly and I'm a little bit tight-eyed.
Yeah, we just had another slap of the jet lag. It's 8 o'clock in the morning for us on our body clock. It's like 2 p.m. and we have not slept. Yeah, I'm running on straight vibes right now. Look at these Broski. Broski. I thought so! What you saying, my bro? Hi. Good to see you, boy. Hi, nice to see you, man. These are my brothers, man. Big up. First time on the channel, how's it feel?
It feels good.
First time on the channel, how's it feel?
Yeah, it's good.
I appreciate you coming to pick me up. I knew Ju was here when you started moving bait like that. Alright, look, I'm gonna be honest, yeah. I'm home now. I'm gonna spend some time with these guys, so I'm gonna call it a day. Look at this. We're getting a full service here. Mama, I gotta do my outro. I'm just letting my boys do this. So, Mama, this is the end of the Mum and Son vlogs as well. It's all going on. Did you have fun?
I had the best when I was with you.
Yeah? So, drop a like, subscribe if you haven't already. It's been your boy Binksy, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye bye bye, big blessings.